Hi there, how are you doing? In this session, we are going to learn English preposition of direction or movement. Are you ready to rock? Let's get started. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show movement or direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. Let's begin with preposition of movement or direction. What are prepositions of direction or movement? As their names suggest, prepositions of direction and movement show a movement from one place to another, or show a particular direction. For examples, across, along, around, or round. Let's discuss them in specific. Across. Across shows the movement from one side to the other side of something. Example: the red ball bounced across the blue line. Along, or alongside. It indicates movement from one point to the other point of something in a line. For example, the red ball is rolling along the blue line. Around, or round. Around, or especially in British English, round, is a preposition that shows movement in or along a curving line, not straight and not going through it. Example: the red ball is rolling around, or around the blue box. Away from. If something is away from a person, thing or place, it is at a distance from that person, thing or place. Example: the red ball is rolling away from the blue box. Down. It indicates a movement from a higher point on something to a lower one. Example: the red ball is rolling down the blue stairs. Up. Up is the opposite of down. Up shows being in or towards a higher position. Example: the red ball is rolling up the blue stairs. From. We use from to refer to the place where someone or something starts or originates. Example: the red ball is coming from the blue box. Inter. It shows a direction towards a position in or inside something. Example: the red ball is bouncing into the blue box. Out of. Out of is the opposite of inter. When we want to state that something or someone is coming out of a place, we use out of. Example: the red ball is bouncing out of the blue box. Off. Off, as a preposition, shows separation, removal, and disconnection. It indicates moving away from something. Example: the red ball is rolling off the blue box. onto. Onto is used to express movement on a particular place or position. Example: the red ball is bouncing onto the blue box. Over. Over, as a preposition, can show a movement from one side of something to the other. Example: the red ball is bouncing over the blue box. Through. Through means entering the middle of something and then going out the other side. Example: the red ball is rolling through the hole in the blue box. To, or towards. To indicates a movement in the direction of something. It can be synonymous to the preposition toward. Toward is the preferred spelling in the United States and Canada. Towards is the preferred spelling in the United Kingdom and Australia. Example: the red ball is rolling to, or towards the blue box. Under. When we want to talk about something or someone that is in a lower position than something else, we can use under. Example: the red ball is rolling under the blue box. Have you understood the lesson? Let's try to answer this exercises. I'll do number 1 as an example. 1. After I said goodbye to my sister, I walked her. Away from. B. Toward. C. At. The best answer to this question is option A. Away from. Now continue doing number 2 to 10. You have 15 seconds, then the answer will appear. 2. My friends at Japan. They live in Tokyo. Through. B. From. C. On. Three. Every morning I get a bus to go to school. Up. B. On. C. At. Four. I dropped my book on the floor and I didn't pick it up. It's the table. Above. B. Over. C. Under. Five. We walked the library and sat down to study. Between. B. Over. C. Inter. Six. After we studied for the test, we walked the library to go home. Next to. B. Out of. C. Down. Seven. Be careful when you are on the bridge. Don't fall the water. Inter. B. Above. C. Straight. Eight. Last month we traveled to Australia. We flew Barcelona to Sydney. Inter. B. From. C. Around. Nine. I saw my friend walking me and I said, hello. A, away from. B, from. C, toward. Ten. There is a ball in the middle of the road. Everyone is driving blank it. A, below. B, around. C, through. Alright, that is our discussion about preposition of movement or direction. Our next topic is preposition of time. By the way, don't forget to support me by subscribe this channel, and like the video if you haven't. Thanks and ta-ta.